Subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us in several places in Quran that shaitan is a sworn open enemy to you, and he is consistent, has a lot of resiliency, and is there to deceive you.
سل بني إسرائيل كم آتيناهم من آية بينة ومن يبدل نعمة الله من بعد ما جاءته فإن الله شديد العقاب زين للذين كفروا الحياة الدنيا ويسخرون من الذين آمنوا والذين اتقوا فوقهم يوم القيامة والله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب.
So this continues on to warn us about our greatest enemy. Okay, imagine if I tell you that, look, be careful as you're walking on the road because it's not safe. There are people who are trying to steal your phone, they're trying to steal your wallet. You are extra careful in those circumstances, especially if it's a crowded scenario. Or when we had the COVID going on, people were very extremely careful about protecting their faces with masks, not shaking hands or washing their hands, because they were on a high alert. Their guards were up. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us in several places in Quran that shaitan is a sworn open enemy to you. And he is consistent, has a lot of resiliency, and is there to deceive you. And his deception is not going to be a total 180 degree. Rather, he's going to have small deviances, small deceptions until you're totally off the path. So have your guards up. Do not compromise. Look at the whole Islam. Be fully submissive. Have an intention to fully submissive. Have an intention of being fully submissive, and do not be deceived by shaitan. And if you do that, then remember that Allah is Aziz and Hakim. So this has a lot of different meanings that can be applied here. Firstly, that Allah is the most powerful. No one can overpower Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if Allah wants something good for you, it will happen. So don't think that by following the religion of Islam, you're actually going to harm your career, or you're going to harm your wealth, or you're going to harm your finances. And the second element here is that Allah is Hakim. So all His commandments, all His orders have a wisdom behind it. It's not meant to make you unsuccessful or unproductive or less happy. It has a wisdom behind it, and it has a power behind it. And if you don't, then there's a reminder, right? What are you waiting for? Will you keep saying tomorrow, the next year, after I'm done this, after I'm done my university, after I'm married, then I'll fix myself, after I've made enough money, then I'll fix myself? What are you really waiting for? Are you really waiting for the day of judgment, or are you really waiting for your death? So stop postponing things for the next milestone in your life. Rather, take ownership and balance your life. Make the commandments of Allah a non-negotiable in your life.